My first question po is, can you tell us more about the Forest for Life movement and why Sanicare choose to support this initiative in particular?
Yeah, we chose to support this initiative because aside, kasi diba, there are other organizations who are doing the same thing. But kasi in Haribon Foundation, they make sure na we plant native trees. And bakit nga ba native trees? Kasi yung mga native trees natin kasi, yun kasi yung na-ensure natin na talaga mag-grow siya. So some of the organizations kasi, basta nakapag-plant ka, especially with diba? Especially with mga corporations, yung mga CSR activities nila, basta nakapag-plant ka, that's fine, diba? But kasi kami, we wanted na we make sure na survive siya. Hence, important sa amin yearly, every tree planting, we know the survival rate, which is, we're proud to say naman na every year it's growing. Dati from 2014 na it's just 85% now. Last year, nasa 94% yung survival rate. And it means a lot to us. Yun. So why them also? Because we partner with mga local communities. So they also empower yung mga nasa paligid ng communities to take part of this initiative. So kung hindi man sila makakatulong sa monetary value, at least they know how to maintain and make sure na yung plant namin na pieces mag-grow talaga siya. So that's why we really support them in all of their initiatives.
Okay po. So my next question po is, how do you plan to involve consumers in your sustainability efforts moving forward?
Actually, we plan to also open this up kasi yearly, we just open it up sa mga employees natin. Actually, nag-join din today yung some of the employees ni SCPA to take part in this celebration. But maybe next in the coming years, baka we can also invite, lalo na ngayon nasa fitness kira yung mga tao, di ba? So people can now, parang hindi na challenge yung umakyat ng mountains, to really plant trees. Kasi usually doon talaga kami nagpa-plant trees. So that's something also na we want to open up, na we're really serious about this, na taking care of the environment. Siyempre, sabi ko nga, diba? Sabi nga rin sa campaign namin, it really starts small. So, kaya din, if you see then our campaign handle, it's Seeds of Care. Kasi everything that we do, it starts small. So, it may be ngayon, hindi lang nakikita yung impact, but as we grow, doon pa natin makikita yung mag-bear yung natin, yung ginawa natin. So,
thank you so much po.
thank you so much.